Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to connect two monitors to your laptop. So to connect two monitors to this laptop, you have to use both HDMI port for connecting the first monitor using HDMI type connection and the USB Type-C port that supports DisplayPort connections right here to connect the second monitor. So once you connect both monitors, of course you don't have to have the same connection type available on your monitor. You can simply use an adapter and plug in the cable from your one side of the cable into your laptop and plug in the other side of the cable into the adapter, and then plug in the adapter to the monitor. After that, you have to connect both monitors to the power source, and once you do that, all you have to do is use Windows plus P combination of keys, so two keys, Windows P, and after that select the projection type, and you can select either duplicate, which will duplicate the image of your laptop to the monitors, or extend, which will extend the image of your laptop between three monitors, including the monitor of your laptop. And so that's how you connect two monitors to your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.